Assalamualaikum everyone, it's me Saifal and I'm here to share with you guys about Malaysian international scholarships. So if you are looking to apply for Masters or PhD here in Malaysia, so I have a very good news for you people that the Malaysian international scholarships dates are open now. 30 June is the last date. So in this video I will share with you guys about how to apply, the list of the documents, the eligibility criteria, what are the benefits of the scholarships, and what is the best way to apply to be selected for the scholarship. So let's go. I will share with you guys a home screen to see how to apply and what are the benefits of the scholarships. See you there. Type Malaysian International Scholarship, right? Malaysian International Scholarship. That's called MIS. Okay guys, so this one is the main website for Malaysian International Scholarship, you see. Okay, when you click that link, this kind of interface will open, that is Malaysian International Scholarships. The brief description about the scholarship is written here. That is sponsored by the government, and here the application for the academic year 24-25 will be open from 31 May 2024 until 30 June 2024. The last date is 30 June is mentioned here. This one is the online application system. When you click here, okay, you come to this kind of phase. Okay, first you have to sign up. If you didn't register first you have to sign up. When you click on the sign up, it brings you that kind of phase. So you have to just put your information, because I already logged in, sign up, so I don't need again. I have to go back, log in. Okay, so if you need some kind of information, here we have home, guidelines, login, downloads, and question answer portion. So first we have to read about guidelines. When you click on the guidelines, you will see such kind of phase. Okay, I have to download this application, then I will share with you. Okay, let me show you. Okay, in this document, all the detail about the scholarship is mentioned here. So who can apply? If you are masters or PhD, you applicants, you can apply for here, and this is the criteria who can apply, and the countries, eligible countries are also mentioned here. You can see Pakistan is mentioned at this point, Oman, Pakistan, Palestine, Qatar. This is the list of countries that can apply, and here that is a link where you can apply. Okay, this is how to apply, I also mentioned here. So the application form, applicants will have to fill out, provide all the necessary information in the application form, and this is the list of the documents that you must need. You need your passport, your academic transcript, your undergraduate, you reflect all the courses taken, and submit whether certified official documents, mention the CGPA. You have to prove your IELTS or TOEFL documents. If you don't have, you can also provide the English language proficiency certificates that you can obtain from your university, and we have to provide 2 letters of recommendation you can get from your professor, your assistant professor, lecturer, someone, and the admission letter of Malaysian university. If you don't have, it is optional, but it is very good advantage if you can get Malaysian university. So how can you get the Malaysian university admission letter? First you have to visit the Malaysian university sites, and then you apply on their site. After you apply, you will get the application form, right? So you can also upload that application form, so that they will familiar that your data is already available on university website. Then you have circular vitae, CV, resume, and then you must have research proposal if you are for masters or PhD. All documents you should have to provide this, and the eligibility criteria is also mentioned here. This is not more than 40 for masters, not more than 45 for PhD. The CGPA criteria is also mentioned. If your CGPA is less than 3, you cannot apply. Your CGPA must be greater than 3. It's also clearly written here, and you can see you don't need IELTS, you don't need TOEFL. You just if you don't have this IELTS and TOEFL, you can also provide the English proficiency certificate, and that is the level of study. What level of study you can apply: master degree and PhD. This is not for bachelor, you just have master's and PhD. And the list of universities that offering the scholarships, it's also mentioned here. So I suggest you first you have to visit the university of your major, then apply on the university website. After you apply, you will get the admission application form, right? Then you can also get that application form to apply here. And here we have benefits of the scholarships. You will get monthly allowance of 1500 per month. That 1500, if you convert to Pakistani rupees, it's around 1 lakh. So it's a handsome amount. Areas of studies what they are offering in scholarships, you have a lot of majors. You can see here your major accordingly. Selection criteria is also mentioned here, so you can read all the the criteria about that, their terms and conditions about it. And if you have any question regarding scholarship, you can can ask on this address and email address. Okay, this is the detail of the scholarships. So let's go and see the site. These were the guidelines. Let's see what is in the downloads. So in download portion, you will find the recommendation letter and how to convert this. Everyone know how to convert documents into PDF form. You don't need that, but you have to download this recommendation letter and get stamp signed from your different professors. So let's log in here. And okay, let's see first frequently asked questions. Here you can find a list of questions, that what kind of questions have. It's also mentioned here. So you can read about these questions. If you have any questions, you can also read up. Okay, I already signed up. No, I have to log in. As I log in, I already filled my application, so I just have to give you a quick view. First, you have to provide the personal information, then academic, what you did in your academic, then education, then you have to provide about your study plan, what you are going to study there. Then you have to provide your recommendation letters, references, and then you have to upload your documents. That the list of the documents is already given there. So it's not difficult. It's a very simple and easy process to apply for these scholarships. So I suggest you, all of you people, just apply for these scholarships and wish you best of luck. So for such kind of information about the scholarship, most welcome to join my channel. So guys, it's very simple to apply for these scholarships because it's very simple and easy to you just have to apply and upload some documents. You don't need to worry about the acceptance letter. You don't need to worry about the application fees. There is no application fees. You're most welcome to apply. Stop wasting for the deadline. So see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.